Hi guys. So earlier, I made this whole video of how I was really mad because I made a really bad duct tape roast the first time. But then again, that was my first time, so I guess you can say it was okay. But I really like doing stuff that's right the first time. So today, wasn't really a good day. We went to my cousin's funeral. He was 27 years old. He had a disease with his lungs. I forgot what it's called. It's a really long word too. I guess it has a mucus forms over his lungs, and he couldn't get a lot of air. And he was supposed to get a lung transplant, but he passed away on Friday. So it was a pretty sad day because today was his funeral. So my cousin Mia, she's 10. She makes a bunch of duct tape roses, and they look really nice. And since Justin, my cousin that passed away, was really obsessed with the Cubs, she made red, white, and blue roses, and they looked really nice. She also sells them for $5, and I really wanted to learn how to make them, but I never had time to ask her how she makes them. So I ended up looking up here on YouTube how to make them, and So Craftastic, the channel, I suggest you guys look at her stuff because she makes a lot of good stuff with duct tape and a lot of crafty stuff if you're into that. She taught me how to make a duct tape rose, and the first time I didn't do so well on because I wasn't layering the flowers um, right. But like I was saying, after the funeral, we had went to Target, and I remembered that they sold colorful duct tape. So I bought these three colors. I mean four. I'm sorry. It was about $16 for each for all together. Like $3.79. I want to say each. Um, and I was telling my friend um, Christina that if she wanted a green rose because her favorite color is green, I could do black or pink for the stem. And I'm not using a lot of the purple. I'm trying not to because purple is my favorite color. So I want to keep purples for as long as I can. And my cousin wanted pens. So when we were there, I went to the back to school section and I got black and blue pens. And they were 50 cents each. So if you still need to go back to school shopping, I would go to Target because they have a lot of sales. So, like I said, my first flower didn't turn out so well. This is how it turned out. It really wasn't supposed to. You can go ahead and laugh because I know it's terrible. I don't like the outside, but the inside, I don't know if you can. The outside looks bad, but the inside actually looks like a rose. So I kind of want to keep it just so I know to layer the flowers. But my second attempt, I did a lot better. This is how it looks a lot fuller. I even did the little thorn things that roses have. This is the outside, and on the inside, looks really pretty. My aunt, Rosa, she wanted me to make a couple of them for her job because a lot of people steal her pens. So these pens are not to be stolen, which is good. So thanks. If you have any suggestions for stuff of that I can make, I can try to make, go ahead, comment, help, any things I can improve on, let me know. Bye.